how to change or replace the cabin air filter on a 2025 Hyundai Sonata. This is very easy to do. We don't need any tools at all. All we need is the new air filter. If you don't have it, I'll go ahead and put a link to where you can get one. But we're going to come over to the passenger side of the car because we're going to do it behind the glove box where the filter is. So go ahead and come over here. Go ahead and move this seat all the way to the back just to give yourself room to work. And we're going to open the glove box. And all we need to do is two things. We're going to come over here. See this little thing right here? You need to pop this off. So you can usually just do it with your finger. If you find it too hard, you can get some pliers and pinch this together here, but you really don't need to do it. You can usually just pop it off with your finger, all right? So that's that. And then you can see this, there's this rail here and this here. And all we need to do is we're just going to push that out. Come over here, push it out. And work it side to side until you get both sides out. And from there, the whole glove box will pop out. There we go. So the glove box is popped out and our air filter is right in here. So you can see you have these little tabs here, and then you have this little tab that goes into this slot here. So all we need to do is come over here and pinch this, pull that out, and then this side slides out of the slot. And here is our filter right in here. So all we need to do now is just get a hold of this filter with our little finger wingers. Pull it out. And you're gonna come in with your new air filter. And you can see it says airflow down. You wanna make sure those arrows are pointing down because the air comes from top to bottom. So making sure those arrows are pointing down, we're gonna slide our new filter back in. Take our cover, put the tab in the slot on the left side, and then push it over till it clicks on the right. And then we're just going to reverse the process for our glove box. So if it comes off, it might just hang. If it comes off, we can just re-hook it on these hinges at the bottom. Push it closed. And now all we need to do is come over here, pop it back over there, and that's it, we're done.